10 Best Mud Flaps for Ram 3500 Dually 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Plasticolor Ram Heavy Duty 12 by 23 Rear Mudguards. Protect your Ram from road grime and debris with Plasticolor Ram Heavy Duty Rear Mudguards. Expertly designed at a robust 12 by 22 inches, they provide ample coverage for your rear wheel wells, minimizing splashback and maintaining your truck's pristine finish. What truly sets these guards apart is their patented fiberglass-reinforced backing, which virtually eliminates cracking and splitting for long-lasting durability. Crafted from a specially formulated PVC, they boast shape memory and confidently withstand extreme temperatures. As an officially licensed Ram product, you're guaranteed genuine quality and authentic style. Each pair includes all necessary stainless steel hardware and a precise installation template, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Protect your investment and maintain that commanding Ram aesthetic with confidence. Number 9. Husky Liners Dodge Ram Mudguards, no factory flares. Protect your Ram with Husky Liners Mudguards, engineered for a flawless fit on your 2009 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500, 19 to 24 Classic, or 2010 to 2018 2500/3500 without factory flares. Forget universal. These are custom tailored for full tread coverage, looking like they came straight from the factory, but with added custom flair. Crafted from nail-tough, impact-resistant thermoplastic with our proprietary Husky shield film, they shrug off road debris for a lifetime. Installation is remarkably simple, taking just minutes with a few screws. Beyond superior protection, you'll love the instant aesthetic upgrade. And because we're confident in our USA-made quality, every set comes with our no-hassle lifetime guarantee. Drive cleaner, drive bolder. Number 8. Husky Liners Custom Fit Ram Mudguards. Give your Ram the ultimate defense and a sharper edge with Husky Liners Custom Fit Mudguards. Designed specifically for 2009 to 2024 Ram 1500, including 19 to 24 Classic body, and 2010 to 2018 2500/3500 single-wheel trucks with OEM fender flares. These guards deliver a flawless, full-tread factory fit that seamlessly integrates with your truck's lines. Crafted from nail-tough, impact-resistant thermoplastic with proprietary Husky shield film, they shrug off road debris and mud, keeping your paint pristine for life. Installation is incredibly simple, requiring just minutes. Enjoy an instant aesthetic upgrade and drive with total confidence, knowing your investment is backed by our no-hassle, made-in-USA lifetime guarantee. Your Ram deserves this level of protection and perfected style. Number 7. Husky Liners Mudguards, 2019 to 2024 Ram, no flares. Protect your 2019 to 2024 Ram 2500 or 3500 without OEM flares with Husky Liners Mudguards, engineered for a flawless fit that truly looks factory. These aren't just any mudguards. They're custom tailored for your truck, offering full tread coverage and an instant aesthetic upgrade. Crafted from incredibly durable, impact-resistant thermoplastic with proprietary Husky shield film, they shrug off road debris and abuse for a lifetime. Installation is a breeze, requiring just minutes and a few screws to achieve that perfect, sleek look. Plus, proudly made in the USA and backed by our lifetime guarantee, you can drive confidently knowing your investment is protected. Upgrade your Ram style and defense today. Number 6. Husky Liners Ram 3500 Dually Mudguards OEM Flares. Experience ultimate defense for your Ram 3500 Dually. Husky Liners Mudguards are custom engineered for your 2010 to 2018 Ram 3500 without OEM flares, delivering a perfect, factory-like fit with full tread coverage. Shield your truck's paint from damaging rocks, mud, and road debris. Nail-tough, impact-resistant thermoplastic with Husky shield film provides a lifetime of road abuse protection. Easy installation, minutes and a few screws provide an instant, sleek custom upgrade. Proudly USA-made and backed by our lifetime guarantee, you receive unmatched quality and peace of mind. Protect your investment and enhance your ride. Number 5. Amazon's Choice Overall Pick. Elevate your Dodge Ram 2500 or 3500 Dually with the Amazon's Choice Overall Pick. Genuine Mopar heavy-duty rear splash guards. As an OEM product, you're guaranteed a perfect factory standard fit that seamlessly integrates with your truck's aesthetic and original design. These new, robust splash guards are specifically engineered for your rear dually setup, providing unparalleled protection where it matters most. Say goodbye to unsightly road grime, damaging rocks, and flying debris that can mar your paintwork and undercarriage. Investing in these heavy-duty guards preserves your truck's pristine appearance and resale value, while also enhancing safety for fellow drivers. It's the smart, expert choice for maximum durability, factory precision, and lasting peace of mind. Number 4. Heavy-duty universal black semi-truck mud flaps. Tired of mud flaps that can't keep up? Upgrade your rig with our heavy-duty universal black semi-truck mud flaps. Engineered with an extra thick 1/5 inch PE plus polymer construction, these aren't just any flaps. They're built for the long haul. Whether you drive a Freightliner, Kenworth, Peterbilt, or any major semi, our universal design ensures a perfect fit every time. Experience superior strength and stability that resists ice, snow, and road debris buildup, keeping your truck cleaner and safer. Their rigid, anti-sail properties maintain a professional look even in the toughest conditions. Plus, installation is a breeze thanks to pre-slotted holes. Protect your investment and drive with confidence, mile after mile. Number 3. Weathertech No-Drill Ram 2500/3500 front and rear mud flaps. Protecting your rugged Ram 2500/3500 just got easier and smarter. Introducing the Weathertech No-Drill front and rear mud flaps, engineered specifically for your truck. Say goodbye to messy installations and permanent modifications. Our laser-measured, made-in-USA mud flaps literally mount in minutes, requiring no wheel or tire removal. The real game changer? Absolutely no drilling into your vehicle's pristine, painted metal surface. This revolutionary design safeguards your truck from road grime and chips while perfectly preserving its factory finish and resale value. You get a perfect factory-like fit and complete front and rear protection in sleek black. Keep your Ram looking its best the intelligent way with WeatherTech. Number 2. Husky Liners Dually Mud Guards 94-02 Dodge Ram 3500. Ready to give your 1994 to 2002 Dodge Ram 3500 Dually the ultimate protection and a sleek upgrade? Husky Liners Dually Mud Guards are engineered for a perfect, factory-like fit on your specific model, providing full tread coverage that looks like it came straight from the assembly line. Crafted from nail-tough, impact-resistant thermoplastic, these guards, fortified with proprietary Husky Shield film, are built to withstand a lifetime of road grime and abuse. Installation is a breeze. A few screws and minutes are all it takes for a precise match. You'll instantly notice an improved, custom appearance that elevates your truck's aesthetic. Proudly made in the USA and backed by our lifetime guarantee, you're investing in uncompromising quality and peace of mind. Number 1. Heavy-duty black semi-truck mud flaps. Ever wondered how to best protect your rig's finish and maintain its value on those long hauls? Our heavy-duty black semi-truck mud flaps are your answer. Engineered from a robust, durable blended rubber, these substantial 25-inch X.125x30 flaps are built to endure. Crafted with green materials, they resist fading and scraping, ensuring all-season performance and keeping your truck looking pristine. Installation is straightforward with their screw-in design, hardware not included. Crucially, they act as an impenetrable shield, deflecting road debris and ice that otherwise chips paint and exposes your investment to rust. Drive with confidence knowing this officially licensed product is providing superior, lasting protection. So, that sums up my 10 best mud flaps for Ram 3500 Dually. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.